There it is. There it is. Come on. That's a nice one right there. It's a nice little bass. It's a nice bass right there. Perfect little guy. It is the next day. We are in a new fishing spot. Okay. Ain't no one here. There's a couple people at the other fishing spot, but the ultimate plan for today, we scouted out this area yesterday. So I'm gonna go down here, we'll fish for a couple hours. Kind of go from there. We're fishing on a little creek. It's a creek that feeds one of the rivers over here. So hopefully it's gonna be an awesome, fun-filled adventure. And we are using these crankbaits and jerk baits that we sell on our TikTok shop. Pretty soon we're going to be mitigating everything on TikTok over to Square. TikTok's a little picky on what you can and can't sell. But let's get geared up. We'll walk down this hill. Make one cast here, but I'm gonna try to fish this Yeti over here. Ooh, it's a little muddy. Not too bad. Oh, already hooked on. Ooh, he slammed it. Look at that bass. Look at that bass. I believe that's a smallmouth. But that's the first fish of the day. Right there. Heck yeah, let's see if we can't get another one. Oh, I'm already hooked up. Heck yeah. Check this guy off the side. Boom. Second bass right there. Let's get a picture of this guy. All right. Another cast. Alright, we're gonna switch lures. We're gonna use the Holmes Outdoor one. I'm trying to get this on Fishbrain. Got just barely enough service. We're gonna switch from this medium jerkbait. We're gonna use this guy right here. This is our small jerkbait. It's got weights in it. Should be a good one. It's got a nice color to that. See that? Let's go. Casts really good. Looks like it has some good action on it too. Hey look, someone got hooked up. Got a fishing line here. Hate when people do this. There we go. Grab these pliers that someone so generously left for us. There we go, look at that. Fish wicked. There's some heavy ass line too. There must have been catfish in here. Hey look, free hook. Oh, I cast it over there, hit the tree, plopped down in the water. I'm sitting by this log. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that guy. This dude's huge. Smallmouth, all right. Look at this guy right here. Absolute tank. There you go, guy. And he's off. Personal best right there. Hey, look, a snail. Random find of the day. All right. Caught one on this guy right here. So let's switch it up. Let's see what else. We tried that lure. Now let's switch over. We're gonna use this medium small crankbait. Medium small crankbait. Going out. Alright, so this is on a phone, right, real quick. So my GoPro battery died the moment I got this guy. Let me get this guy out real quick. What he did is he chased it to the shore. He chased it all the way up to the shore. I caught him right there at the bank. So let me get this hook out. Look at that guy. It's a nice size one too. He's a bass. So we'll let him go. Yeah, I caught him right here, like straight offshore. It's a little bass. And there he goes. We are back to the GoPro. So that guy was actually a rock bass. So far we caught some smallmouth and then we caught a rock bass. There's got to be a largemouth in here somewhere. I'm sure we'll find it. All right, let's get this crankbait back out there. Starting to get windy. Ain't gonna stop us from fishing. The action on this guy. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it's got a pretty good action to it. It's weighted too. It sinks down. We're gonna do 2 more casts over here, and then we're gonna walk on the other side where we first started fishing. All right, that was our 2 casts. So let's get this line all picked up here. This guy set in here. Put our backpack down. Alright, let's move over here. Just a couple. So we caught those first 2 smallmouths. Alright, let's fish on the other side of these little ripples. There's a lot of nice structure throughout here. So it starts up here. Got a deep section right there, little deep section. Over here gets nice and deep, and then you got a nice shallow spot in here. And all the way on the outside, up through that shallow spot to this deep spot. I think 1 more fish, and then we'll call it. It's a super pretty area though. I don't know if I can get over there. See someone's fishing line hanging up through here. Nice little deep hole, I can see it. It's a nice little sandy shore though, I will say that much. A couple of spots that you go to here, you either choose between rock or sand. It even gets prettier up there. Let's try to get up underneath here. It's probably going to be the end of the line in terms of fishing. It gets pretty rough up there. From what I can tell. We'll walk down there just to see. All right, back to the OG spot. We're using this medium-sized jerkbait. See what we can't get. We just need one more fish. I'll be satisfied. All in all, it's a really good day. There's one right there. He's chasing it. He's underneath that log now. Got another rock bass. There he is. Look at that guy right there. That's another rock bass. Look at that guy right there. Just pull down. That's beautiful rock bass. About the size of my hand. Well, a little bit longer. Let's get a picture of this guy and then we'll get a nice release for him. Half tempted to make another cast. Got plenty of battery left. See what time is it? It's only 10:56. We've been fishing for less than 2 hours. And we already caught, what, 7 so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 7. Still beautiful out. We'll give it maybe a cast or 2. We'll see. A couple more casts. There it is. That's a smallmouth. That there is a smallmouth bass. Fish are absolutely amazing. All right, I'm gonna wrap up today's video right here. It's a nice, pretty area to go fishing. Y'all can see that. Using this ultralight rod. Super cheap, you can get it at Walmart. This is a Shakespeare Micro Series Blue. Super nice rod. Using the baits that we have on sale right now at our TikTok shop. And then, yeah. Super pretty area. There's no one here. It is a Wednesday. Got Tuesday, Wednesdays off. So it's really nice having days off during the week. Get outside. Kind of explore areas that you never explored before, you know, like this little creek. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is a very beautiful day out. Really good bass fishing. We caught a whole bunch of smallmouths. We caught a whole bunch of rock bass. All in all, pretty good. Pretty sure I got my PB. Should have weighed it, but I'm gonna go with that was my personal best. Probably weighed about, maybe about 1.5 pounds. It was definitely about 1 foot long. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Now, don't think I didn't forget about picking up the trash people left. Just in case some of you guys were curious. And we got the thing of worms up here. Whatever you pack in, always remember, pack it up.